This is a hybrid anchor-bounded tunnel and anchor rotator cuff repair. Shown is a massive tear of the supra-infraspinatus interarticular view, and here's the footprint which has been debrided. Anchors have been placed anteriorly and posteriorly. A central tunnel is being utilized to reduce the number of anchors utilized. Posterior view of the completed repair shows crossing sutures from the anterior and posterior anchors of the transosseous technique with nested tunnels in between these anchors, creating multi-point fixation while reducing the number of anchors utilized. Here's the lateral view with anchors and tunnels being utilized together for a very solid repair construct. In this case, we perform a proximal tenodesis and an additional suture in the anterior cuff for additional fixation. The tunneler is placed through the anterior portal and the suture is retrieved. This is a looped suture which is used to create a locking loop on the biceps tendon after it's brought out to length, as demonstrated here. And then a suture passing device will be used to incorporate as well this suture into the anterior rotator cuff. Locking loop configuration is utilized for both tendons. The loops are tightened and secured. Final construct is shown with the biceps tenodesis, additional anterior tunnel, transosseous equivalent anchor construct with tunnels in between the anchors for a hybrid technique. Very robust repair. Intra-articular view shows an anatomic repair of all the involved tendons.